Hey, Mr. Peller, this is Keith Babis, and I'm going to explain through math how I got to how me and Joey Casey uh, derived this clay sculpture that you see here. So it started by using the parent function y equals x squared. That's where this came from. Um, but the problem with y equals x squared is that, if you have an x-axis, it's going to be not like that. It's going to be, sorry, one second, let me erase that. It's gonna be right down from the x-axis. So when you flip it over, it's gonna go down like that. So you can't throw that. So I raised it up 4, and I made it 0.1 so that it would widen out a little bit. So it would be more like this. So that when that's reflected on the x-axis, you have space, so you can actually kind of create. You kind of see it here. A type of three-dimensional shape, and I integrated from -7 to 6 because I wanted it to look sort of like a single flower vase, bigger at the bottom, to get skinnier, and then to get a little bit bigger at the top. So something that would look like this. That looks a little bit like a beaker, but that's the general format. That's the general kind of idea of what I wanted. And, pretty well. It wasn't as big as I wanted. I wanted 13 inches. That's why I integrated. Each one was an inch. He couldn't throw that, but he actually came pretty close to what I scaled it down to, which was about 8 inches, 20.04 centimeters. So I think it worked out really well. So again, the parent function was y equals x squared, but the actual function was y equals 0.1 x squared plus 4. So, the volume equation is v equals pi r squared. So, you plug in that function for the radius. So it would be the volume equals pi times 0.1 x squared plus 4 squared. And now we just have to integrate, so it would be, pi from -7 to 6 times, 0.1 x squared plus 4 squared. And for this, I just, used the calculator, and I got a big, area just because I'm integrating I'm integrating from -7 to 6, which is a pretty big area, so I got 1,276.2176 units cubed. So I use that model to try to get my the single flower vase that I wanted, and I showed this to Joey when we got there, and I had some video of us, but I can't get it to I can only get pictures to come up on this thing. I can't get a video. I can't import a video, but you know, that picture that I had before is the final product. There's it from that angle. Kind of, he did a pretty good job of making this thing. You know, and that's the final project. That's the final product. Excuse me. You know, it looks pretty good, and Joey was great to work with. I actually had a lot of fun doing this project. And you know, that's how I got this. That's how I got this clay sculpture. All right. Well, thank you, Mr. Peller.